Hello fellow bronies and dear subscribers of mine, it's your good pal KodieTheRainbowDashFluttershyFanBrony here with the tomfoolery dogs once again. Now last Tuesday, after they shared their opinions of Smile HD after watching it, I told them that the next video they're going to watch is related to Smile HD, so they know Pinkie Pie is going to be in the next video, but they don't know which character or characters are going to be Pinkie Pie's next victims. Dogs ready? Hopefully it's not Rainbow Dash, else I'll kill Pinkie Pie. Or kill the creator. MisterDavie. Oh hell no, that's... Oh, come on, how come Rainbow Dash has to be in this? What's Pinkie Pie gonna do to poor Rainbow Dash? I'll kill you, Pinkie Pie. Doo-dee-doo. I like the little dance they're doing. Ah! Oh, hell no. Oh, not her wings, come on. Oh crap. Oh crap, there's Fluttershy's a little angel. Oh no, no, no. Oh! Oh, come on. You could have chosen someone else other than Rain. Oh, that's cruel. Killing the most awesome pony in Equestria. Oh, that's creepy. Oh, sure, she's all happy now, but what's Pinkie Pie gonna do to her? I still don't like Pinkie Pie in MisterDavie's videos, making her kill so many characters. Making her kill all her friends, that's not very nice. No, she doesn't look right without wings. Oh, now what? Oh, no. No. Oh, hell no. Oh, no. Oh, what's she gonna do now? Oh, that's creepy. Oh no. Pinkie Pie, I'll kill you. Oh, that's disgusting. Oh, I hate you, Pinkie Pie. Ugh, yuck. Oh. Oh, you're making a... Oh. Oh, why'd you have to do this, Pinkie Pie? Ah! Oh, come on. Oh, that's disgusting. What's he gonna do now? Ah. Oh, she's making them into cupcakes. Oh, Pinkie Pie, you're a disgusting little bitch. Oh. Oh, crap. Poor Rainbow. Why is she still alive? Poor Rainbow Dash would have died from all that. Oh, Pinkie Pie, I'll kill you. So, dogs, what do you think of Cupcakes HD? Bailey, mate, you go first. Why did she have to make Pinkie Pie kill her friend, especially Rainbow Dash? Yeah, I got nothing more to say, I just hate him now. Brown Puppy, what do you think of Cupcakes HD? He could have used some other pony besides Rainbow Dash and Fluttershy for this video, but no, he had to go with the ever so cool and awesome Rainbow Dash. Oh, that's disgusting, that video. I mean, I love the song, but no, I hate that video. Puddles? What can I say? Do I like this or Smile HD better? Well, I have to agree with Brown Puppy. Killing one of the most coolest characters is just plain. Yeah. I don't know which one I like better. I can't really. Yeah. Well, there you go. There you go. The dogs just watched Cupcakes HD and shared their opinions of it. I'm KodieTheRainbowDashFluttershyFanBrony. I'll see you later, okay?